Okay, so to figure out mechanical advantage, what we're looking for is the number of ropes that are helping to pull up. So any of these ropes that are, that's not working. Any of these ropes, oh no, it does the drawing. There we go. Any of these ropes between the pulleys and the object, those will all count. And then, if the extra rope that's sitting inside here, if it is pulling up, it also counts. If it's pulling down, it's not helping distribute the force, so it doesn't count for mechanical advantage. So here we would have 2. In this one we would have the 1. Here, since this is also pulling up, it's going to be 3. Here we have 3, and this one doesn't count. And here we have 2. These 2 ropes are pulling it up. Does that make a little bit more sense? So basically what you want to look at is if this extra piece of rope is going up, it counts, and if it's going down, it doesn't.